Our senior health policy expert, Ann Montgomery, is in the studio with us today. Hey, Ann.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon. We're going to talk about your favorite subject,
Okay.
TrumpRx. So first we had Trump Airlines, Trump Steaks, Trump University, and now we have TrumpRx, a new website that purports to offer lower prescription drug prices to Americans, but it doesn't really do that, does it, Ann?
It is a website that Medicare beneficiaries and older adults in general, if you have Medicare, Medicaid, should not use.
Not use.
Okay?
Can't use.
Can't use.
Can't
exactly.
use.
You are prohibited from using it. And that's probably a good thing because some of the prices are lower on this website and some are higher than they would be if you went and looked for generics. So stick to what you have in your Medicare, your original Medicare plan, your Medicare Advantage plan, whatever it is. The co-pays, the deductibles, pay those, and by the time you get to $2,100, you're home clear. Then all of your costs go away.
If you're in Medicare.
If you're in
But
Medicare.
let me ask you this. What if you're younger than 65, you're not on Medicare, you don't have a disability, and you have employer-provided insurance or an Obamacare plan? Is this TrumpRx site really of any use to you?
It's better to stick with your own insurance plan because you need to pay for your co-pays and reach your deductibles. And your TrumpRx website is not going to help you do that because it's a cash-only website.
Yeah, and Senator Alex Padilla, Democrat of California, he pretty much summed this up really well, Ann. He said that this website is just another Trump attempt to take something that exists, rebrand it in his name, and that it does really nothing to lower people's drug costs.
Yeah, I would agree with that. And particularly, again, if you're a Medicare beneficiary, you have it good. Under the Inflation Reduction Act, which is what the Biden administration put in place, there's an out-of-pocket cap. And once you reach it, your drugs are free. That's $2,100.
And not only that, but the Inflation Reduction Act, which President Biden got enacted, enables Medicare for the first time to negotiate prescription drug prices with Big Pharma. And oddly enough, at the same time as they're rolling out TrumpRx, the Trump administration is negotiating with Big Pharma under the Inflation Reduction Act. So isn't that enough to lower prices to start low?
Yes. The 10 drugs that were negotiated with much lower prices include some real blockbusters like Eliquis and Xarelto. And those discounts will save you about 50% on your drug bills already.
And they announced 15 more life-saving drugs to negotiate, right? Did I get that right?
That's exactly right. In 2027, January 2027, those will take effect, and that will include Wegovy and Ozempic and some of the blockbuster weight loss drugs that everybody's really interested in. So the real work was done during the Biden administration to negotiate prices down that are stable and that are part of your insurance, that will be counted toward your deductible, your co-pays. It's a much better system than looking for a few discounts that may or may not be there over the long run on a cash-only website, which is TrumpRx.
And let's just make clear, TrumpRx, it's just going to take you right to the big pharma manufacturer's website,
That's
right?
correct, yes.
Yeah, so it's sort of just like going on Open Table to reserve a restaurant reservation. It's not necessarily going to save you any money. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And I want to ask you one more thing. Do you still have your diploma from Trump University?
I'm working on it.
Okay. My Trump steaks are in the freezer. They've been there for about 15 years. All right. I'm Walter. I'm your communications director. This is Ann, our senior health policy analyst. Thank you, Ann.
Thank you.